Hey everybody, I've got a delicious spinach artichoke dip in the slow cooker today, and you're going to need, of course, some spinach. I cooked mine down from fresh because I had a boatload of spinach from Costco, but you could use frozen chopped spinach. Just make sure whatever you do, you cook it down, squeeze it dry, and that way you don't have a bunch of extra water in the dip. So you'll need that. The recipe card will be on my blog, so make sure you check out those links below. And all right, so we've got some artichokes here. I like to use mine from a jar, just chop them up. Sometimes you can get them chopped, but just run your knife through them really quickly. I'm going to add about 12 ounces of cream cheese to a bowl. Make sure it's softened so that it's easy to combine. I used a cup of yogurt, but you could use sour cream. Chopping up some garlic cloves really quickly here. And I'm going to throw that in. That is the star, in my opinion. I got a cup of mozzarella and a cup of 2 cups of mozzarella, a cup of parmesan cheese, and just mixing that all together. Giving that a good zhuzh, getting it into the slow cooker. You can do an hour on high or 2 hours on low, and then keep it warm. Don't overheat it. But it is perfect to take ahead for a potluck with pita chips or whatever you want to dip in there, veggies. Thanks, guys, so much, and have a super great day. Please check out those links below, give a like and subscribe as well. I hope you have a blessed day.